Hello everyone, it is Obsessive Trains back at it. So today is Monday the 4th of July 2022 and the Union is holding another Horn Day similar to December last year. I went to Sutherland, Mortdale, Penshurst and Edgecliff with griffin rails to try to get Tangara horns, and it was much more successful than we thought. If you're wondering why I'm on a not in service Oscar on platform 2, it was because this Oscar was meant to start at platform 25 from Bondi Junction, but it ended up being rerouted because of bad weather, so they put it on platform 2 instead, but they forgot to update the boards, so the big massive board at Central displayed it as platform 25 as originally planned. And so the platform 2 screens were also remaining as the train was not in service. So sit back and watch and enjoy the video. Imagine this our first honk of the day. H42 and another set is now departing for a Sutherland service. So we've Cronulla service now departing.
And then all stations to Bondi Junction.
Didn't go to the front for the horn because it's raining pretty hard now. I'm gonna get up my umbrella. T47? What does that say? The light's in the way. Yeah, T47 is now arriving for a Bondi Junction service on a platform they probably shouldn't be using. Rear four cars of that Cronulla service is T67. T67 is actually pretty funny because it's the one that it's the set in the background of when Brad was doing this kind of goofy dancing in Martin Place. Rear four cars of this Bondi Junction service are an XG set. I'm not sure which one though. But it's quite rare to see right side running at Sutherland. Bondi Junction service now departing. That is a lot of door out of order stickers. That is a lot. Let's go. T71 for a Cronulla bound service. Let's go. I think they were honking at the track workers, but T57 and T20. T19 and T35. now let's compare how many horns we got versus how many fails we got side by side. Let's Griffin, we're at Sutherland car park. Griffin told me allegedly that this is the stinkiest staircase ever, and he told me to record this.
Go in.
You know what's stinky when Griffin has to put on a mask?
This isn't as worse.
Yeah, it just smells like plastic at the moment, or asbestos.
Yeah. In the other one, there's just pee everywhere. Everywhere. Beer pee as well.
Beer pee.
Yeah. Hasn't been cleaned in like 10 years.
Disgusting.
What is this?
Autism rum for people with autism, rah rah rah. That can't be on YouTube. That definitely cannot be on
Taking a
YouTube.
photo of that. Holy shit.
God damn it, dude.
I saw a similar one of those like near Tangara.
This is Sutherland car park. This is definitely one of the darkest car parks I've ever seen.
Pan of
Look, Griffin, what type of train's that one? That's an Oscar, you idiot. There's nothing there. Griffin, you wanna buy a ticket? You wanna buy a ticket from the machine? Okay.
What ticket do you want?
Oh, I thought, cause it's
What ticket do you want?
No, but like I thought.
What ticket do you want?
I would like a return to the Blue Mountains.
Alright,
Because when you opened up your jacket, it looked like what drug dealers do. It's like, hey, you want a free credit card?
you want a My Zone? Alright,
My Zone 2010.
here you go, there's your ticket, sir. That'll be $40.
This says Narara. You're a scammer.
Hey, you. Finally awake.
Welcome back to Griffin Rails, Griffin Ales, King Moments. Down here. 14 minutes. Oh yeah, City Rail PIDs.
Yeah.
They're quite common actually. Very common. Really?
Yeah.
I see them all the time, especially like Denniston or etc.
Take pics.
Hey guys, wait up. Hey guys, so currently
say this,
I'm
the tea.
Currently I am filming a chocolate chip milkshake
Bro, it's just cookies and
on
cream
the
ice cream.
tracks. Bro, it's an entire assembly line of just milk tea. Oh.
There are 114 Edgecliff station signs at this station.
He
He's dead.
yeah, he spent about 10 minutes just counting how many of these signs are just in this station. Alright, have your say in the comments. Is this a bin, bubbler, or other? None of the above. So, like, what do? You stand on this, yes?
What now?
What do? You pee into it?